Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be showing you how to insert or remove a SIM card. Okay, on your Galaxy A26, any version, first you'll need a tool like this one. If you don't have one, you can use one from another phone or anything similar with a pointed tip. Now we also need a SIM card. And now on the left side of your phone, at the top, there's something. A cover where you'll insert the tip of this tool. Right here, and now we push until the cover pops up. Alright, so now we're going to remove it. Just to be clear, this phone isn't the Galaxy A26, but the process for inserting or removing the SIM card is the same here. So you'll place the SIM card in this position. As you can see the SIM card, it has one flat corner, and that flat corner should go down here. So we'll put the SIM card in this position, and it should be facing down. If you want to insert a second SIM card number 2, you'll need to put it here in this position. Both SIM cards go here in this position, okay, with the flat corner facing down. Now, with the SIM card in the phone, you'll put the cover back on here, okay? And as I mentioned before, the process for inserting or removing the SIM card is the same. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please subscribe so I can reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers here on the channel and be able to monetize it. God bless you all. A big hug and see you in the next video.